Hi, I will introduce you how to register to Loycha and how to earn and spend your money here. So after you download the application from our website, you can start enrollment through Get Started. I will put the number here. It's a number from Kosovo for the moment because we will go live here, but after that it will be open to the whole world. So I will type a number here, 123698 for example, and I will type a password 123456 123456 times, and then I will go further. Here normally you should receive an SMS, but because of the test environment you can type just 123456 as written here. So 123456. You will confirm your phone number in this way. Here are some required fields to register, so I will type them: name, surname, gender female, date of birthday. I select a date of birthday, for example this one, and the city from our state. So here the wallet is being created, so it can take up to 10 to 50 seconds in the blockchain. Plus it will give you a 1,000 euro bonus for registering, because it is a test environment, so you can use them and you can work on that. So here you have the options, like you have the pay option, you have the receive option and the transfer options. Let's say that in the beginning you don't have any money and you are going to spend cash on a Starbucks, which I have already logged in on the other phone on the left side. So what you will do is you will pay the Starbucks. Let's say you will pay $20 in cash. So what happens? Starbucks needs to pay to you as a bonus for, let's say, 10%. So what happens is that you will say, okay, here are the money. You pay the money to the Starbucks, and then Starbucks will pay you the bonus. How it happens is it will scan the barcode from here, just fast as this. Here is my name, surname, and number that I just registered. And let's say I had an invoice of 20 euros, for example. I click on make payment. It makes a notice here. In 3 to 5 seconds, the transaction is verified, and here it is. The payment is completed. Once I change the received here, I see that I have received 2 euros or 2 Loycha, which is Loycha is equal to 1 euro. I received from Starbucks because of the 20 euros that I just spent. So when I go to the balance here, I see that there are 2 euros minus because of my balance. Let's say that now, okay, I have collected enough of balance. And then I want to pay with Loycha. What happens is, okay, now I go back to Starbucks, for example, and I want to spend it on Starbucks or in any other restaurants or partners. Then let's say I drink something of 15 euros. So what happens is the partner generates the 15 euro, or let's say with 15 euro and 50 cents. It generates a QR code, and I go to the payment part. I need to give the permission for the camera. Here it is. I just pass it here. It takes the Starbucks logo, the partner that I'm going to pay, the amount, and I just click OK. I confirm it, make a payment. And here it goes. It receives a notification, plus the payment is gone. See, in the left side, I have seen the payment completed here. I have here the amount received. And in the paid tab, I can see that it is minus 15.50. So in this way, it's very simple, just a barcode scan, and every transaction goes on the backside on the Stellar network, and it's fully on the blockchain. You can see that here we have also a transfer. This is only for the normal users, because the users can transfer to each other. So it is the same operation. You click the transfer, you scan a code, you scan a code, but here I don't have a third phone. I need to log out maybe from this and log in. Let me log out just to show you from another account. And sorry, I had a phone call. Then I will log in with another account. Let's say 44 1 2 3 3 2 1. These are test accounts, so you can use Also these ones as well. Okay, now I want to transfer some money to my friends, let's say some Loycha. My friend will show me the QR code, and then again I will just fastly scan it. I receive the phone number that I'm going to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 50 euros. And happy birthday, man. Okay, and now transfer. Once I transfer it, the other part will receive them immediately. So here it is in the transfers. You see that there are 50 euros, and in my transfer are minus 50 euros. So in this way you can easily earn, spend or transfer Loycha among your friends. And also here I can show you that, for example, you can see the offers from the partners, a lot of offers with discounts, for example, or you can explore the new offers if there is any. So you don't have any partner to follow, or because I have followed them all. You can see the list of partners here, search among them. Plus, you can see here our social responsibility, things related to us and things that are coming up. So for the moment, I just wanted to show you these things. If you have any questions, please leave your message on the description, under the description, or you can contact us directly at any time. Thank you for watching.